We're having Christmas Eve dinner. What did you have, Ariel?
Avocado and toast and put together. It's this.
Yum.
Yumminess.
James?
I had some of that earlier, and I'm having some rice.
With soy sauce.
Yeah.
Grandma?
Rice and pineapple with jalapenos.
Ooh. And then
And
some
avocado toast.
I see. That's what I'm having too. And what are we having doing after dinner?
Opening presents.
And what's dessert?
Eating mug cakes.
Mug cakes. All right.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy holidays.
Okay, we're making mug cake for after the Christmas present opening on Christmas Eve.
How are your presents, kids?
I think they like them.
Okay.
So we're having mug cake. First we do 2 tablespoons of flour, just unbleached bread flour. And we're doing 4 mugs. And I put them in bigger mugs so we can stir them. And they have room so they're not little tiny cups. Now we put 2 teaspoons of sugar in each mug. And I'm using organic sugar. 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And I'm using Dagoba organic chocolate cacao powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt. Two tablespoons of unsweetened, and we use plant milk. So we're using soy milk. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of applesauce. We do not have applesauce, we do not have apples, so I'm just smushing some bananas. And we're going to have smashed bananas in our cake. I said this needed 2 tablespoons of applesauce, but I was incorrect. It's 1 tablespoon, so I'm doing 1 tablespoon of bananas. A tablespoon of peanut butter.
That's not peanut butter.
It is almond butter, but that's what we're using. I don't think it will matter.
Well, I don't eat peanut butter anymore anyway.
And last, it calls for 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cocoa chips. And what we have are semi-sweet chocolate chips, 51% cacao, and it doesn't have any animal in it, so we eat these. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon since it's already a cocoa bomb.
Do I mix?
Mix.
What's in here?
Okay, mix.
And
Sure.
Wow, yours is a lot more liquid than mine was. No, I think it'll... Now, after it's all stirred up together, we're gonna cook it in the microwave for 1 minute.
With your fork?
I don't know if I'm done.
Oh.
Am I
Yeah.
done?
Yes, it looks wonderful.
Here you go.
I'm gonna use it.
Chocolate cake.
Oh boy.
Run with the
So they kind of rose a little bit as they kind of rested. Shall we dig in?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas Eve cake.
Merry mug cake to you.
Found some non-dairy Cherry Garcia in the refrigerator freezer. How's your cereal? James? Oh,
I haven't had it yet, but I've had it before, so I know it's good.
oh, okay. Still too hot, huh?
Yum yum.
Yes, I agree. What?
I can't wait for tomorrow.
So all that's left to do now is wait for Santa Claus.